Hello everybody out there. I'm your friend Brandon at Dripworks here. I'm here to talk to you about some pros and cons and good things about our metal raised garden beds. Benefit of these garden beds is that they warm up faster than a typical garden, which gives you the option to plant what it is you want to plant 2 to 3 weeks earlier. Gives you a longer harvest time. You might want to put netting or something underneath to stop the gophers and insects from getting in, going through, because they're not sealed on the bottom for drainage. Here we have a pond liner, and the reason for that is you can see around this, we are surrounded by trees with a strong root base. They can grow up into these, and nobody wants that. Another tip for you may want to know about them is that they hold in nutrients and organics very, very well. So for your first season, or I'll say the first year of growing, you may not want to grow nutrient accumulating plants, such as lettuce, spinach, beets, those sorts of plants. What really does thrive in these though would be pumpkins, cucumbers. We also notice that it might seem costly if you don't have your own dirt around and you're bringing it in, that it is a lot of space to fill up. What you can do is in layers here, you can fill up the bottom portion with typical debris around your house. It could be branches, leaves, bark. A little tip that we would like to do is that we will put a layer of cardboard down first. After the cardboard, you want to do a layer of topsoil. Like so, just a thin layer. I would like to add a layer of bark. And in between the organics that you're putting in there, another layer of topsoil. Got the leaves here that you just find all around your properties. I heard is these are considered browns, and what they do is actually help cut back on bacteria. So it's not aware of that. Desire. A tip that you would like to know, or would really help you out, is that from where you're going to stop at the top, you're going to want 7 inches of pure compost. That's where your root base is going to be. Also, once you get it full to your desire, you're going to want to water it very, very well. Let it sit for 3 days because the dirt will compact over time with the organics at the bottom deteriorate. Then you'll want to do your planting. That way your roots aren't moving, the seeds aren't moving, and it'll be very helpful for you. Once again, my name is Brandon. You can look up anything at dripworks.com. We'll be glad to help you. Happy growing, everybody.